Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Vaidya, student of UnnatiDevelopment and Training Center. I have completed 3 certifications which includes RHCSA, OpenShift Administration and Ansible Automation. In this video, we are going to create a VM instance on GCP and deploy Apache server on it using Ansible. So let's get started. First of all, you need a Linux machine to install Ansible on it. So as you can see, I am using a CentOS 7 machine. Now we need to install Python package. The command for installing Python package is sudo yum install python 3 -pip -y. Python has been successfully installed. You can confirm this by using command python 3 - version. As you can see, the Python version 3.6.8 has been successfully installed. To automate GCP, you need two Python libraries. The first one is request. This library is used to make a HTTP request to the web page. And second one is Google Auth. This library is used to authenticate with the Google API. So let's install them. Request Google and auth. As you can see, request and Google Auth libraries have been successfully installed. So we need to install Ansible now. As you can see, Ansible is getting installed. Ansible has been successfully installed. You can confirm this by using command Ansible -version. As you can see, the Ansible version is 2.9.13 and the Python version it is using is 3.6.8. So now we can automate GCP, but before automating GCP there are two prerequisites. The first one is Google project and the second prerequisite is service account. So let's create them. As you can see, I am on the GCP console. Now to create a project, click on create project, give a name to the project and click on create. I already have a project, so I am not creating it. I will select my project from here. Now let us create a service account. From the navigation bar, go to IAM-admin and click on service accounts. Now click on create service account. Give a name to the service account. I am giving Ansible_Unnati. Create. Grant access to the service account. I am giving role as project editor. Editor access will allow to edit resources in that project. Continue. There is no need to give a grant access users to the service account. So as you can see, the Ansible Unnati service account has got created. Now we will create a key. Click on create key. We need a JSON type key, so select JSON and click on create. As you can see, the JSON file has been downloaded. Now go to the Linux machine and create a file name service.json. The name can be anything. Go to downloads, open the JSON file, copy this JSON file and paste it. So yes, it is successfully pasted. Save the file as you can see, I have a service.json file, which is nothing but my credentials file to authenticate with the GCP. Service account is an identity that an application can use to make a API request. So yes, it is nothing but our credentials. So now we will create a playbook. I will give playbook name as task.yaml. Localhost. Connection will be, I am using local connection because I am not configuring SSH. Task, the name of the task will be creating instance on GCP. The model we are using is GCP compute underscore instance. So my name of the instance will be Unnati. I'm giving machine type as E2-micro. You can give any machine type like N1 standard 1 or something else. Then this parameter, specifies the boot image. So this specifies after deleting your instance, do you want to delete the boot image or not? So yes, we will delete that. This attribute specifies that whether you want to use this boot image as your instance image or not. So we will use, I'm giving true. So now the third attribute is initialize underscore params colon, and under that we will give our source image. Source image path is project slash CentOS cloud. This is the path of a GCP global slash images slash family slash, I'm using a CentOS 7 image. So now we will give a network interface so that our instance will have a public IP. Access configs, in that name, the name I am giving is external net, which is by default, but we need to specify it. Type 121 underscore nat, which is also a default type. Metadata, this consists of a startup script which will deploy Apache server on our instance. So write our script, bin bash sudo yum install httpd-y sudo echo, I will give content as hello Unnati, and the index.html path www.html index.html. So now I will restart the service. So yes, our script is completed. Now I will give zone. Zone will be US Central 1-A. Then I will give project. This project attribute consists of project ID, so I will copy it from the console. So go to the project, click on project, and from there copy the ID and paste it here. Auth underscore kind. Which type of authentication we are using, which is service account. Okay, so now we will give service account file path, which is on the present location, and name is service.json, and the state will be present. If you want to create an instance, we will give state colon present, and if you want to delete a instance, we will give state colon absent. So yes, I will just check once. Localhost. So yes, all good. We need to just run the file now. Ansible playbook task.yaml. Ignore this warning. There is an error. Okay, so there is an add network interface. So yes, the typo, network underscore interface, it is interfaces. Save the file and run the playbook. So yes, the instance is getting created. We will wait for minimum 1 minute. So it got created in 5 seconds. So we will check. Go to the console, navigation bar, compute engine, VM instances. So yes, as you can see, the instance name Unnati got created. So to check whether our Apache server has been deployed or not, we will copy the external IP and paste it in the search bar. So yes, as you can see, the Hello Unnati web page got deployed. So yes, in this way we have created an instance on GCP and deployed Apache server on it using Ansible. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you and stay tuned for more updates.